How to create a community in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to do this by answering the following three questions for you. Question 1, how to set up the client portal in HighLevel. Question 2, how to add a subdomain for the community or group in HighLevel. And question number 3, how to create a group or community inside of HighLevel. So we're going to hop out of here and into my demo sub account. And so the first thing you'll do is you may land on the Launchpad or dashboard. You want to go down to memberships, and once you're in memberships you have communities, and from communities you have settings, so go to settings, and then from here you can set up the subdomain. So this is where you'll put a custom subdomain or a domain if you want it to be a primary domain for your client portal. So in this case, if I wanted to add something like community, I like calling it community .yourdomainname.com, and then I click add domain, and then it's going to want to have me create the records at my registrar for it. So I'll click add record manually, and I'll need to create a CNAME record for the host value of community and then point it to this required value, which is clientportal.ludicrous.cloud. So I would just copy this, I'd create these two because I know them, and then once I've created them I click verify records, and once it's verified I will have this nice pretty subdomain community.yourdomainname.com pointing to my group or community. So I'm going to cancel that for right this second. Once you've done that, if you click back to settings, it's going to take you somewhere else that's going to be a little bit confusing. Instead of being here in memberships under settings, so if I click back to settings, it's going to bring me over to sites and then client portal settings, right? And this is where we can do other things like configure domain for client portal, branding, app permissions, email settings. There's a bunch of extra stuff for client portal stuff here. Domain setup essentially brings you back into this. If I click settings over there, it brings me straight away where I was before. I can go into branding, and I can change things like I can name the portal, I can add a portal description, I can change the colors, I can add a favicon, portal image, banner image, logo, support email, copyright. Then there's some advanced stuff with JavaScript and CSS and tracking code for the header code, footer code is where you put like Google Tag Manager information or other pixel tracking information. However, you don't need to do all that. This is all optional. Then you can go back to memberships once you've set up that subdomain. Go back to communities, click on groups, and this is where you're going to create your first group, right, for your community. So it says you haven't created any groups yet, so we'll click create group, and this is where you give it a group name. So this would be group example, I'll call it, and it gives a URL that you can change if you want. You can give it a description, and then you can add the branding again, favicon, cover image, and logo that are all specific for this group. And then you click create group. And if it doesn't let you, it's because you're missing something like description. So we would just call this group description. But you'd want a real description up to 150 characters. Click create group, and now you have your first group. And it brings you over here to the client portal using the generic URL, not your custom subdomain, because we didn't actually create that. It says set the password for my particular user right here in the URL, set password for email ID, which is Knoll at hl-btg@vegastechgroup.com. Okay, so I would set my password for this. I'll just set a password, and then I'll click set password. Password set successfully, and it's going to take me into this new group community. It's going to ask me to complete my profile, upload an image, add a bio, and click complete. If that doesn't work, you may be required to put that image in before you can exit this page. So let me find an image. So I found this image. I'm going to use this one. This is an old image, of course. And I'll just click save. And now I have an image, and I can add a bio, and then click complete. Once I click complete, I can then do other things inside of this community or group, right? If I have the right permissions, like I can set up settings, I can change the group name. Of course, we have the URL, but that changes based on the subdomain once added. You can change from public to private, accessible from the switcher, which we'll keep, and we'll save this setting. Then we also have subscriptions. So right now it's free, but we could add a price if you wanted to make it a paid group or community. Branding, of course, the favicon cover image and logo, you can do it here. Themes, you can change the color, themes overall. Membership questions, you can add those. Gamification and rewards, you can add that stuff. Under links, you can add additional URLs that'll show up in the sidebar on the right. Reported content, you can see any reported content by members all under there. You can invite members, you can see leaderboards, you can make posts. On the left-hand side, you can add additional channels if you want. There's a button to add a channel. You can see the blue sticking out here on the side. And then, of course, we have learning, so you can attach a course to this if you want to, or multiple courses. You can see all the members. If you click onto members, it'll show all the members that are here. The leaderboard would show you all the leaderboard information as well for the group. So this is your community and how to create basically a community or a group inside of HighLevel. So again, as always, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video. And if you have any further questions regarding this or anything regarding how to set this up, please let me know. Just leave me a comment below this video in the comments section with your question, and I'll do my best to answer for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.